The project that we're working on is a 3D printed bioresorbable artificial heart valve. It's 3D printed, so it can be easily manufactured, widely available. And the term bioresorbable means that the patient's tissue would sort of grow around it, so it's a more biocompatible solution to what's out there. Basically, this will get absorbed into the patient's body, and this will give it a chance to become one of the most biocompatible materials for heart valve replacements, as well as allow for the patient to have a long-term option for their disease and not have reinterventions or treatments further down the line.
If you can make a valve that is of a material that can function temporarily as the tissue grows in and makes a natural valve, then that child will have a natural valve and won't need these repeated surgeries as they grow up.